Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we're going to unbox these brand new earphones from Baseus. As you can see, we have the picture of these earphones here in the first page. We have the Incock right here, Baseus Incock, and we have here the full name, Baseus Incock earphones. In the side we have the name of Incock all over the place. In the back we have the case, and we have some specification about these earphones, but they are all in Chinese, so we don't understand it. Let's begin immediately with unboxing. And as you can see, we have here another box with the logo of music and again Incock logo. Let's open it. We have here now, as you can see, some graphite of earphones. Let's flip it over. We have here the user manual that is in Chinese and English in the middle page. Also we have here some other papers, Chinese instructions, we have here the first look of the earphones, and we have here a box. Let's see that first, what we have here. And we have a case, a silicone case for these earphones. Inside we have one more pair, second pair of the silicone earpiece. We have a string to attach the silicone case, and we have a cable for charging both of the earphones at the same time. So you can see pretty much how these works. We have the silicone that you can put your earphones right here and carry the charger or anything that you need about these earphones. So that's really useful. But now it's time to go ahead and see what we got here. We have two Baseus earphones, as you can see, the right and the left. We have with sign. Let's take this package away. We don't need anything else from that package, and now we have the earphones in our hand. As you can see, they are a bit big, but we have quite a good quality of sound. And now they are ready to be used. As you can see, in the side we have the power on and off button, and we have the charging port where you charge your earphones. So let's go ahead and turn them on. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, they are blinking, as you can see right here. So let's take a phone right here, go to Bluetooth, pair new device, and we have, as you can see, the Baseus Incock right here. Press pair. As you can see, now we have here the table that it says pair with Baseus Incock. Press pair, connecting, and now they are connected. As you can see, we have access to see the percentage of battery active and everything else. As you can see, the music just started, so it's a bit difficult to put in your ears at first, but you get used to it. So I'm going to put in my ears and tell you my impressions and my thoughts about these earphones. So let's go ahead, turn on some music and test the quality of these earphones. I just found this song. It's actually no copyright music, even though you can't hear it. I'm playing this song just to test it, because we are used to test earphones and phone audio with these songs. So let's go ahead, turn the volume all the way up, press play, and actually I am speaking right now with you, but I can't hear myself. The Incock bases are pretty good at isolating your ear, and the audio is really clear. The bass is at the right level, and I really like and enjoy these earphones, even though they are a bit large, but the sound of them is really good. We actually have some shortcuts by touching them. As you can see, I paused the video by touching the right earphones one time. So as you can see, this is the right one. Press again, it will start the video again. Press twice, it will lower the volume, and press 3 times, it will actually play the previous song, but now we are playing here in YouTube, so it won't play any other music. But if you are playing your phone music, it will play the previous song. And same with the left one. If you're playing the song right now, press 3 times and it will skip the song, play the next song. So this is a very good benefit from Incock Baseus earphones. So guys, this was all for today's video, showing you and unboxing the Baseus Incock earphones. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment down below and we will try to reply to you and answer all your questions. Thank you very much for your time and support. Keep supporting us by liking this video, hit the like button, subscribe our channel, share videos with your friends, and we will see you in the next videos.